is a very powerful operating system that manages the different operations of your computer. So, we'll discuss features of Windows 10, Start menu, multiple desktop, new way to glance at open windows, universal search, snap view, modern apps on traditional PC, universal app store, continuum, and new command prompt. So these were the features of Windows 10. Windows 10 is the most recent version of operating system from Microsoft. Officially it was released in 2015 and was initially offered free of charge to legitimate users of Windows 7. Windows 8.1. This new version combines features from those two previous installments to suit the users in a better way. The most notable change in Windows 10 is that Microsoft replaced the start screen tiles, that means the appearance of Windows 8, and brought back the start menu. They also removed the vertical toolbars that appeared from the sides on the screen. These changes make the Windows version easier to use for user. Now, system requirements. When you are purchasing the Windows, what are the system requirements? Processor, CPU with a clock rate of at least 1 gigahertz, at least 1 to 2 GB of memory requires, RAM, but Microsoft recommended 4 GB, at least 16 GB space in your hard disk require. After you have installed or upgraded your Windows, you will get a welcome screen with the time and date. Just click anywhere to go the user account screen. This screen lets you choose which users you want to log in to from the lower left corner of the screen. After choosing the right user and entering a password, if necessary, you will see the Windows desktop. The Windows desktop is simply your operating system main screen. Here you can access to an array of tools like start, search, taskbar, notification area, and other icons. Windows 10 also introduced a search box in the taskbar. The Windows 10 is simply your operating system main screen. Here you have access to an array of tools like the start menu, taskbar, and other icons. Windows 10 also introduces a search box in the taskbar, which facilitates browsing both your computer and the web. So, once you get the Windows desktop screen, here are the some basic feature you will see. Same as start menu, several applications, icons, and notification. One of the most important parts of your desktop is the taskbar because it completes and performs the different tasks. In Windows 10, if any application is active or open, you will see a green line below its icon. Clicking the icon will bring the application window up. Every open window features three buttons in the upper right corner: minimize, maximize, and close the window. Minimize means the window will hide the taskbar. Maximize means maximize. Now come to the icon. The most smallest picture on your desktop is icon. Is a simply a graphic representation of an application or a file to open or access the information. Now come to the start menu. If you are looking for a specific application, you can also open the start menu and click all applications. This will open an alphabetical list of all the applications installed on your computer. In this way, you can work with the start menu. File Explorer. If you are looking for a specific document, another alternative is the use the File Explorer by clicking on the folder icon on the desktop. In the File Explorer window, you can browse your all folders. The next feature is Virtual Desktop. Of the new versions of Windows 10 is the addition of Virtual Desktop. This allows you to have multiple desktop screens where you can keep open windows organized. To add a virtual desktop, first you have to click on the start menu and features of two pane will open. Left pane reassembles the traditional start menu for Windows 7, and earlier we are working as on Windows 7. So search box is another tool in the taskbar, will allow you to search within your documents and files or on the web or anything you write. The initial results will appear with the start menu itself. The result will be grouped according to the category. The Windows 10 taskbar sits at the bottom of the screen, giving the user access to the start menu as well as icons of frequently using application. The icon in the middle of the taskbar are pinned application, which is way to have a quick access to application you use frequently in your computer. In the same way, notification area where you can get the multiple notification, and a first notification area shows a limited amount of icon, but you can click the upward arrow on the left side, see the other icon as well as. So come to the task view allow you to quickly move within the your open windows and application. You can access it by clicking the task view button from the taskbar. You can also press the hold the Windows key and press tab to open the different tasks. Like in your phone you are doing tablet mode is a new feature in Windows 10. That means you can open your Windows in a tablet mode, and start menu goes full screen. During the tablet mode many other applications can run. Next one is a File Explorer. In Windows 10, the File Explorer features a new ribbon toolbar similar to the one feature in the recent version of Microsoft Office. This ribbon contains the button and commands for the most common tasks. The ribbon feature four tabs, each with the different option. So you can perform the different operations on files like copying and pasting, moving files and folder, copying file and folder another location, deleting a file or folder permanently or sending to the recycle bin, renaming a file and folder, creating a new file, verifying. Next one is a Cortana, is a Microsoft Intelligent Person Assistant. That means Cortana is a tool which responds on your voice. Cortana will help you to find the things in your computer application. The icons on the left side are for home, notebook, reminders, feedback. Home is the initial Cortana window where you can type or ask questions. Questions means like open my file, close the window. Now how to activating Cortana? If Cortana is not active, you can turn it on by typing Cortana in the taskbar, search to access the Cortana setting, or just clicking the gear icon on the left side of the menu. So there is a quick action is a set of tiles that give you access to frequently used settings and tasks like Wi-Fi connection or screen brightness. That means quick action will take with the help of this option. One of the innovative features of Windows 10 is virtual desktop. Virtual desktop means in same time you can work on multiple desktop of Windows. So click on the task view icon on the taskbar, and as same as when we are working on our phone we are using the virtual desktop. Like in a corner there is a rectangle icon, we are clicking on the icon and we can see how many applications we have opened earlier. So anytime we can work on any application, it will not close until you will not close that application. Like Windows 10 is allow you to log into a different user account. Different user account means like in a home there are number of persons, so you can make your own personal window and you can write your username and password. In this way your data will be protected. And account name you can choose. For that you have to configure few settings. Open the start menu, go to the setting option. In the setting option you will go to the user account option. When you will choose account option, you can choose the user account, then you have to create the password, and in this way you can work. Another basic option is to open the start menu and click all apps. All apps means in the same place you can get the number of apps with the help of all apps option in the start menu. Windows 10 includes the first version of Microsoft new browser Edge. Like Windows 7 include the Internet Explorer, same thing Microsoft Edge is a inbuilt browser of Windows 10. The icon placed on the taskbar. When Edge opens, it presents the window simply to most browser. Like when we open Internet Explorer in the Windows 7, same as Windows 10, we are using the Microsoft Edge. There is a Wi-Fi option, setting option. Directly you can use the wireless. You can see the icon. When you will click on the icon, you can connect to the wireless devices with your computer. So this will be a feature. The next one, last feature, is Continuum. Continuum is a feature that when you are working with the two device same time, so you can share with the softwares like your keyboard, mouse, with the both devices in the same time. This is a inbuilt feature of Windows 10. Thank you, class.